Hello everyone and welcome to Jumper Man Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today I'm going to be installing LED lights behind my desktop computer screen. Thank you to everyone tuning in to Jumper Man Tech, and we're going to begin today's video by taking a look at our LED lights. Today I am using the Govee SMD 5050 LED lights. Govee has a wide selection of LED lights, and the one that I chose are 16.4 feet long, and they are waterproof. When you open the box, you're going to see our LED lights, and they come in a roll. Here's a look at what the lights look like. The base color is white, and they are said to last up to 50,000 hours. If we take a look at the back of our LED lights, we're going to see a 3M adhesive in the back, so just peel back the lining and stick them on. On one end of the LED lights, we're going to come across the controller switch, which is also a sensor. Here's one of our controllers. We have 3 buttons. Starting from the top is our power button. The middle button will be able to change our color, and the bottom button you'll be able to select with different scenes. There is also a 3M adhesive in the back of the controller switch. The other wire has a female connection and gets connected to your power supply. One wire is a sensor, as these lights are controlled by a remote control. Here's our power supply, and we have an input voltage of 120 to 240 volts, and it steps it down to 12 volts. These 2 wires just simply plug right into each other. The set of lights comes with a remote controller, which has 44 keys, has many color options, as well as functions, and you could also adjust the brightness. This set also comes with 6 mounting clips that can help you secure your LED lights. Provided is a user manual and a set of instructions. We also have an alcohol prep pad to clean the surface of any dirt or dust. Here is my desktop monitor, and we're gonna flip it around. Here's the backside view. And the idea here is to install the LED lights in a rectangle fashion. Next, I'm going to take my LED lights and run them across the back side to see the size that I need, then cut them down. If you look closely at the LED lights, about every 4 inches you're going to see this symbol, and this is actually a symbol of a pair of scissors. So you can take a pair of any household scissors and cut it down the middle. The LED lights are now cut to size, and they are ready to mount on the back side of the screen. But before we do so, we're going to take the alcohol prep pad provided with the kit and clean the surface for any dirt or dust. Just peel back the 3M lining in the back and stick them on. As you can see, I actually went around the entire TV. As far as the corners, I just bent them and continued on. And they just end right there. Now we can plug in our LED lights and test them out. Alright everyone, it's the moment of truth. Wow! That looks absolutely amazing. Can't see it in the video, but it actually almost lights up the entire room. Just gonna go through the colors. can also adjust the brightness. You also have some party modes, and you can also adjust the speed. The previous mode was called jump, and this one is called fade. And this is personally my favorite setting. I actually have LED lights behind my TV above as well, and it's the exact same setup that I have for my desktop monitor. With one remote control, I can actually control both the TV and my desktop monitor. I also have LED lights behind my desk. And there's a video up for each and every one of these projects. And if anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.